The Tesla app might fail to verify your phone number due to several reasons. The most common include SMS failures, regional restrictions, or issues with two-step verification, known as 2SV. These problems often stem from telecom network issues, regional blocks, or the app's security protocols. Understanding these causes is key to finding a solution. One major cause is SMS failures. Verification codes sent via text message may not arrive due to carrier blocks, spam filters, or problems with international routing. This happens because SMS relies on telecom networks that can be unreliable or restricted. Regional restrictions also play a role. In places like China, strict laws require SIM card registration, which can prevent SMS verification. Similarly, EU regulations like GDPR may limit how data is shared, causing blocks. Tesla's app adapts to these local laws, but sometimes verification fails as a result. Finally, two-step verification, or 2SV, is a security feature that requires secondary confirmation. While it enhances protection, it can fail in regions with telecom restrictions. Tesla introduced mandatory 2SV in 2025 to combat cyber threats, but this sometimes causes verification loops for users. Two-step verification, or 2SV, is Tesla's primary security measure for accessing the app. It requires a second form of confirmation beyond just your username and password, most commonly using SMS codes sent to your registered phone number. Here's how SMS verification typically works. You enter your credentials, then receive a 6-digit code via text message. Finally, you enter that code to gain access to the Tesla app. SMS delivery involves complex routing through mobile networks. Messages go from the sender's phone to the SMSC, then the recipient's location is looked up via HLR, and finally delivered through the MSC in the recipient's network. This international routing can lead to delays or complete failures. SMS verification can fail due to international routing problems or restrictions imposed by mobile carriers. In regions with strict telecom regulations, such as China and parts of the Middle East, local laws requiring SIM card registration can block SMS delivery entirely. Tesla's app functionality varies by region to comply with local laws, such as GDPR in Europe. This can lead to verification problems in restricted areas like China or India, where telecom regulations block SMS delivery. The app detects your location using your IP address or GPS coordinates. If there's a mismatch between your detected location and your actual region, this can cause verification errors, preventing the app from working properly. In regions with strict restrictions, certain app features may be disabled to comply with local laws, resulting in verification loops where the process fails repeatedly. Looking ahead, as Tesla continues its global expansion into new markets like Southeast Asia, these regional and geo-restriction issues are likely to increase, requiring ongoing workarounds for users. A temporary fix involves changing the app's region settings to a supported one during setup. For example, switch from China to the US in your account settings. Using a VPN to bypass geo-blocks can also help. Connect to a VPN service to temporarily change your location to a supported region for verification. If two-step verification is enabled, switch to email-based verification if available, instead of relying on SMS. Tesla support acknowledges these issues and is working on a unified global verification system. Begin troubleshooting by ensuring your phone number is correctly formatted with the appropriate country code. For example, use +1 for the United States or +44 for the United Kingdom. This prevents verification failures due to format issues. Next, clear the Tesla app's cache. On your device, go to Settings, select the Tesla app, and choose to clear the cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing verification issues. Update the Tesla app to the latest version available in your App Store. New updates often include bug fixes for verification problems. Test SMS delivery by attempting to receive verification codes on a different phone number. This helps determine if the problem is specific to your current number or device. If you're facing two-step verification problems, set up a backup by linking an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator. This provides an alternative to SMS codes. Finally, collect any error logs from the Tesla app and gather details about the issue. Be ready to contact Tesla support for further assistance. If basic troubleshooting fails, you may need to reset your two-step verification. This often involves contacting Tesla support and going through their account recovery process, which might include a video call for verification. This is an escalation option for persistent problems, with success rates over 90%. Tesla is increasingly emphasizing biometric and app-based two-step verification to reduce reliance on SMS, which is vulnerable to SIM swapping attacks. They're also integrating AI into the app for proactive issue resolution, like AI chatbots that diagnose verification problems and suggest fixes. By 2027-2028, experts predict a transition to blockchain-based verification for decentralized security. Consider the user in Beijing who used a US VPN and changed the app region to the United States to fix SMS failures. Or the German owner who used app-based codes to bypass carrier data sharing issues. Experts criticize Tesla's over-reliance on SMS and advocate for hardware keys. User feedback and satisfaction surveys highlight the ongoing impact of verification issues, especially in restricted regions.